Join me as I dive into the world of the mecha robot and challenge myself to see if it really can change the game of lifelike AI. In this video, you will explore how a mecha is revolutionizing the field of lifelike AI and what this means for the future of robotics. Current AI technology and robotics have come a long way, but let's be honest, they still lack that human touch. We've all seen those stiff, robotic movements and those blank, expressionless faces. It's a far cry from the natural, effortless interactions we have with fellow humans. But what if I told you there's a new player in town that's about to change all that? A robot so advanced, so lifelike, that it's going to blur the lines between human and machine. We've seen it time and time again. Robots that are supposed to mimic human behavior, but end up looking like, well, robots. Those awkward gestures, those unnatural pauses, those dead, soulless eyes. It's like they're trying to be human, but just can't quite get it right. And that's where a mecha comes in. A robot designed to be so realistic, so lifelike, that it's going to challenge everything we thought we knew about human-robot interaction. The need for more realistic human-robot interactions is clear. We want robots that can understand us, that can empathize with us, that can be our partners, not just our servants. And that's exactly what a mecha promises to deliver. A mecha's design is centered around one core concept: realism. From its incredibly lifelike facial expressions to its remarkably human-like body language, every aspect of this robot is designed to make you feel like you're interacting with a fellow human. And it's not just about looks. A mecha's advanced AI enables it to understand and respond to human emotions, creating a truly immersive and engaging experience. At the heart of a mecha lies a sophisticated AI engine that enables it to learn and adapt to its environment. This means that the more you interact with a mecha, the more lifelike it becomes, the more it's able to understand and respond to your needs. It's a truly remarkable feat of engineering that's going to change the game of lifelike AI forever. But it's not just about the tech, it's about the experience. Imagine being able to interact with a robot that's so realistic, so lifelike, that you forget it's even a machine. Imagine being able to form a real connection with a machine, to feel like you're having a conversation with a fellow human. That's what a mecha promises to deliver. And that's what's going to change the landscape of human-robot interaction forever. So, what can a mecha really do? Well, I'm about to show you. In this groundbreaking demonstration, you're going to see a mecha in action like never before. You're going to see it interact with humans in a way that's so natural, so seamless, that you'll be left wondering if it's even a robot at all. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to have your mind blown. The demonstration you're about to see is a testament to a mecha's incredible capabilities. From its natural body language to its uncanny ability to understand and respond to human emotions, this robot is truly in a league of its own. And let me tell you, it's going to leave you speechless. What you're seeing here is a game changer. This is the future of human-robot interaction, and it's going to change everything. From healthcare to education, from customer service to entertainment, the possibilities are endless. And it's all thanks to a mecha's incredible lifelike capabilities. So, what does the future hold for a mecha and lifelike AI? Well, the possibilities are endless. As the technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more realistic, even more lifelike robots that will continue to blur the lines between human and machine. In conclusion, a mecha is revolutionizing the field of lifelike AI and changing the game of human-robot interaction. With its incredible realism, advanced AI capabilities, and natural, human-like interactions, this robot is going to bridge the gap between humans and machines like never before. Thanks for watching, and I want to hear from you. What do you think about a mecha and the future of lifelike AI? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other videos on advanced technology for more mind-blowing content.